So let's take a look at GBP USD for tomorrow. That is for the 9th of March. To those that are yet to subscribe, please click on that subscribe button. Do not go or leave without subscribing. So let's take a look at this GBP USD. This was literally a crazy move, right? So once there we have this type of a massive drop. One thing we should be watching out for next is actually a correction. So this correction is actually playing out. Is it over? Well, I don't think it is over. I'll be expecting kind of some bullish move on GBP USD before final drop. So tomorrow, which is Thursday, I don't really think there will be much movement, but I can be wrong by the way. One thing I'll be watching out for where there is going to be a major movement is on Friday. That is what I know, and that Friday is going to be a very, very crazy movement. So for tomorrow, which is Thursday, I'm not sure. But let's see how price plays out. If in case price wants to play out, I think price actually push up a bit, give us a little bit of a bullish move, then we will get a drop. So basically, we will be expecting a more bearish move on GBPUSD. We will be expecting more drop on GBPUSD. But the thing is that a correction needs to be over first. This correction or pullback, as you may call it, needs to be over first. Once it is over, then we can get expecting more drop. Probably, let's see if this correction will be over at a level of, 1.1873 and above level, above that same level that I just called. Then we can now expect a drop on GBP So that is it. I'm going to be putting a link to my Patreon channel. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you become one of our Patreon subscribers so you get access to some of the exclusive content we'll be putting out there. High probability trade is exactly what we'll be putting out there. High win rate, that is a trade that has about 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is exactly what I'll be putting there. So you can check the channel. I'm going to paste a video in the comment in just the channel up. You'll see some of the trade you actually take. Yeah, you take the link in, check the comments section. You'll see a link to some of the trade you have actually taken. So you can go there, confirm, and become one of our subscribers.